Hi, this is Tucker at enginefactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 400 horsepower package engine for our customer's 1967 Ford Fairlane. I'd like to go over some of the highlights on our build here. Our block is painted blue with brass freeze plugs. Roller cam is in there. Double roller timing chain. New timing cover and new balancer. We installed the correct water pump for our customer's application. We install the correct oil pan for our customer's 67 Fairlane with the front sump. Heavy duty black Russell fuel lines. AFR American made aluminum cylinder heads. Roller rockers are in there, fully adjusted and ready to go. Blue ignition wires leading up to our small cap distributor. Black MSD ignition coil. 650 CFM Holley carburetor with throttle ball and throttle linkage. Blue Ford Racing valve covers and matching air cleaner. We always install the correct standard flywheel for our customer's transmission. We will be installing the starter index plate after the test. Extra T-fittings on there for any vacuum hookups. We install the electric choke wire, chrome fuel lines on the carburetor, one wire hookup alternator, heavy duty 8-rib belt. So there you have it. All our engines are live run here at the engine factory for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine's oil pressure, cold and hot, manifold vacuum, and water temperature. We dial in the idle mixture screws to guarantee you're going to get the best vacuum possible, thoroughly check for leaks, and set the timing. When you're ready to buy, give us a call at 908-323-5847 or email us at info@enginefactory.com. So there you have it. Thank you.